I have seen wardrobe in one of the houses, a pestle and a mortar. So fufu is there. Then apple and plantain eto, apapransa, and the house, the extreme house over there. What are you preparing? Yeah. Sorry. Apple and fertilidachi, and you are fufu. Oh, okay. We have a lot to eat today. Cooking starts now.
My name is Jessica and you?
Erica.
Erica, what are you guys preparing today?
I'm preparing some.
I see. And which house?
House 6.
House 6. Okay. We'll be expecting the best from you. So we'll still stay tuned to you guys. I want to really know the ingredients you are using for this preparation.
Oh, okay. During our preparing some, we'll be using flour and palm nuts, and so garden egg and pepper.
Okay, thank you very much. We'll be expecting the best from you. Please, I'm Jessica and you?
I'm Fatty.
Fatty. So you are representing house?
House 1, which Abuasa house.
Okay, Abuasa house. Abuasa, what are you guys preparing for today?
Please, we are preparing Twozafi.
So what are we expecting from the Twozafi?
It's so delicious.
It will be delicious. Eh?
Of course.
Okay, I hope everybody will get something.
As you can see.
Okay, thank you very much.
And I could see you guys are very, very busy with something. Actually, what are you guys preparing?
We are preparing kukunte.
Oh, wow, that's a very nice local dish. Okay, so what ingredients are you guys using?
We are preparing kukunte with
Okay.
We are going to use tomatoes, granules, okra, onion, and
So actually, which house is this?
house 4.
House 4. So what do you expect?
Oh, we expect that you get first in the discount.
I hope so. Thank you. Hello. Good morning. I'm Nanelle.
Some moments from
Moment. Wow, that's nice. I could see you're very busy with the peeling of the lamb and everything. What are you guys up to?
we are preparing a local dish by the Atlantis called Eto.
Wow, I'm an Ashanti. Wait, then I'll be very glad to enjoy some of your meal. What do you
Invited.
so much? So what do we expect from you guys?
You should expect a delicious dish, nutritious, and I think after tasting, you yourself will compliment with your own words.
Wow, that's interesting. The way you are having the vim to speak, I could see say you are ready to be first, pa.
Yes, we will be first. House 2 is always first, and it's Opoku Parish.
Thank you so much. Okay, hello. What house is this?
House 3.
Okay, sure. What's your name?
I'm Lydia.
So what are you cooking?
Oh, actually, we are preparing fufu and chicken soup, which is light soup.
Okay, so what should we expect from you?
Oh, expect us that we could do better.
Okay, good luck.
I'm Nettie and I'm here with
Vida Davis.
And what's your name?
Asante Vida.
Okay, Mpasho Den Amonu.
We are cooking apple and fertility.
at 6 Star Studios.